What's up, guys? Welcome to another tutorial. Now, in this tutorial, we are going to talk about recursion. Now, what is recursion? Now, recursion in Java means it is a process in which a method calls itself continuously. Okay, so remember, a method that calls itself in Java is known as a recursive method. Okay, so now let's dive into our project and we start. You know, we start with an example. So we'll right click and then go to new. We're going to create our package. And then we will call this package recursion. Okay. Then we'll come back here and then we'll create another. We'll go to the package and create a class called factorial. And we'll generate along our main method. Okay, good. Okay, guys, that's it there. So let's go by and create our method, which is our recursive method, public static long, and I would say what compute fact. And inside I will pass parameter. I will just say, so now inside the body of the method, I will use a statement. I will say as far as n is greater than or equals to, as far as n is greater than or equals to 1, then what happened? I want to return something. I will say return what? Now this where the stuff will come in, man. So I will say n times, so the method will call itself. So I have to repeat the method name inside here. So that's our recursive method there. Okay, so inside I will pass n minus 1 because we are dealing with recursion, guys. Because we are dealing with factorial numbers, okay, factorial numbers. Else, what happened? We'll assume that it is less than 1. So we will say return 1 if it is less than 1. Okay, guys. So now in here, we can say num, then we will equate it to, we will initialize it to a particular number, int num is equals to 4. Okay, so we are going to add our print statement, so which is what? System.out.print ln. Okay, then inside here we can say of. Okay, then concatenate it with the number, and then equals to, then we can call the method here, which is compute fact. We can pass in num. Okay, good. So let's run this and see how it works. Okay, so you see the factorial of 4 is 24. So what is happening here, guys? Here what is happening now, let's say now 4 will come into here, so n is 4 right now, so it will come here and compare. So is 4 greater or equal to 1? That's true. Then it will come here and multiply, like it will multiply 3 by 4 here. It will did, and here is 4, and here inside here we'll have 3, so it will be 3 times 4. So it will go back again. So this time around it will keep that 3 and come back here. Now n is 3, so it will say is n greater than 1 is true. So now it will bring that 3 here, and then it will say what? Now here will be 2 now. Okay, so it will multiply the 2 with 3, so it will take that 2 and bring it here. So n is 2, so is n greater than 2? Yes, it will repeat the same thing until when n is 1. Until when n is less than 1. So the moment n is less than 1, then what happened? It returns 1. Okay, so that is what is happening here. Okay, so that's what we mean by recursion. Okay, because this method is going to keep on calling itself number of times here. Okay, so now let's try to make it more interesting. Let's add in our scanner class. So I'm going to create an object for the scanner class. Scanner scan is equals to new scanner. Then inside I will say system.in system. Okay, so now I'm going to import this scanner, so I'll just hover on top of here and import it. Then now inside I will add system.out.print. So I'm going to say print, sorry. So I'm going to say enter the number. When you enter the number, I want to store it in num here. So I'm going to remove this. So now I need a method to read that input. So that method is inside this scanner class. So I need to use the object. So scan dot what next int. Okay. So I think everything looks good now. So now here, okay, now we can just add another print statement up here. And then we'll remove this. Okay. You can just do this. So let's run this, guys. Okay, so if I enter 4, you will see factorial of 4 is 24. If I enter 5, factorial of 5 is 120. If I enter 0, it will return 1 because factorial of 0 is 1. Because remember, here it will come back here. N is 0, so this one will execute that. So because n is less than 1. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is what I have for you guys for today. So if you have any question, don't forget to ask in the comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and don't forget to like also. Okay, and hopefully this video will help you to have a clue about recursion, and have a nice day, guys.